Hello, hi everyone, this is Sunita. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to Shivanasamudra. Shivanasamudra means Shiva's ocean. It's 135 kilometers away from Bangalore, 60 kilometers from Mysore. The island town Shivanasamudra divides river Cauvery into twin waterfall. East side it's Barachukki waterfall and west side it's Gaganachukki waterfall. And this is the place where river Cauvery divides into two parts. One flow goes to east side, other flow goes to west side. Google shows us two routes, one shortest distance we choose, and that was little bit risky because Fort Sagar Dam was overflowing this area. That clip is not with me. If I get, I'll upload that one. But avoid this route, go through hydroelectric power stations, colony is there, go to that route. From parking area, just 800-meter walk, and we reached here at Gaganchukki waterfall. Today it's full crowdy here because it's long weekend and Independence Day celebration. Wow, look at this incredible beauty of nature. Har Ghar Tiranga. We are celebrating 75th Independence Day. Proud to be an Indian. Wow! Another viewpoint is for Gaganchukki waterfall is near Hazrath Mardane Gaib Dargah, which is very close to Barachukki Falls. So if you are going to Barachukki Falls, you can go to this point, you will get incredible view from there also. And here is India's first hydroelectric power station and still in function. We found only one option for lunch, that is Hotel Lakshmi. Come here before 2:30. After 2:30 it closes for lunch. You can come here for stay also. Overview of waterfall you can see from backside of this hotel. It's beautiful. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel and give thumbs up to video. मिलते हैं next video में. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.